This is the second meeting which we are having in Delhi. Last year we had in March, and in this meeting we are now focusing on a few topics which are there. The final planning conference of a TTX exercise which will be planned this year in Malaysia, where our delegation would be going there to participate in that. We would know and learn about the procedures and the activities which are being carried out by each ASEAN country and its members on the counter-terrorism operations which is there. The outcome of the entire TTX which will be there then will be put into place by the FTX exercise, that is the field training exercise which is there, which is likely to be held next year in India itself. And we will draw our lessons from this TTX exercise, and then whatever has been the framework when we work into this will be then thereafter implemented on ground when we go to the FTX exercise next year in Mizoram, which is there, which is in Counterinsurgency and Jungle Warfare School. This exercise will be conducted. So we are presently focusing on that. As far as we would also be having a document released at the end of the I would say the ADM plus when it will be handed over, a booklet which is of the best practices of all the countries which are there, so that we learn from each other's experience. We learn from the each other's, I would say the areas where we are carrying out our terrorist operations and others. And thereafter we move forward into this direction by having a common protocol that is ACTT, which is there of the ASEAN, and so that we abide by those frameworks and then we progress forward for the counter-terrorism exercise which we are intending to do.